Hey everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to be here today because I have another Stitch Fix unboxing. I'm so excited. My last Stitch Fix was a bit of a bit of a bummer box, but I'm excited to try it again. So many of you guys encouraged me to keep doing it, and I'm excited to see what my stylist has for me. So let's get started. I didn't really give her too much feedback. I mean, I gave her feedback on the stuff that I liked, but I didn't necessarily put any like big requests in for this month. So I'm kind of excited to kind of see what she picked, having a little bit more freedom. If you guys are unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, it's a subscription service that sends you 5 articles of clothing, shoes, or accessories for a $25 styling fee. You get to try all the clothes on and then send back whatever you don't want. That styling fee gets credited to anything that you purchase that month. And if you buy all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. So yeah, let's see. I think I have a new stylist this month. I'm not really sure. Okay, I don't remember having Cassandra. I don't remember. Happy Fix Day, Sarah. I'm so sorry you've been less than enthused about your recent fixes, and I hope this collection will have you feeling fabulous. I took total inspiration from your Pinterest board, finding cozy pieces that will last you through the cooler winter weather. I just knew that I had to send the Honey Punch Blush Tone Cardigan for layering this season. Ooh. Based on your style, wear it over a simple white tee and the distressed gray skinny jeans by Level 99. I included today. I love Level 99 jeans. They are similar to the pair that you were sent last time, but with more randomly placed distressing and a higher rise for a truly trendy fit. Step into the Taupe Suede Booties by Diba for a complete look. I also chose a long sweater by Retro D in a neutral tone that you can pair with your faux leather leggings. I look forward to your unboxing and feedback. So it sounds like she kind of like took what was on my Pinterest board and my feedback for my videos and stuff like that. So let's get started. There are a pair of shoes. Wow, it's a thick box, and shoes. Now shoes are something that I really just don't need, but you never know. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, this is so cute. This sweater is adorable. It's this blush tone sweater, and it's by Honey Punch. Let's see what the price breakdown is. It's $64, and it's a textured open cardigan. I love the color. I love that it's going to be a little bit shorter. I love an open cardigan, so I'm already really liking this. So it's looking good, you guys. Next up, I have it's Retro D. So the way that it was printed on the tag and how it's printed on here was very different. It's the Cavallo Poncho sweater. So let's take a look at this. This is kind of interesting. So it's kind of like a open V-neck like that. It's a sweater that comes down in a poncho form. So it slits really high, but it has a sleeve, so that's really interesting. This is kind of giving me a Free People vibe, and I love Free People, so I'm excited to try that on. Okay, next up, and so that is $68. Next we have the RD Style Belem Faux Leather and Point Jacket. Okay, so this is like a moto jacket. I have a leather jacket that I love. You know what I don't love is that it has, I don't like any kind of shirts or like jackets that have like, it's like the faux leather all until the back, and then it's like a scuba gear. But it's actually really cute if you don't have a leather jacket. It'll be fun to kind of try on and see how that goes. And I love that it has the zippers that you can undo at the bottom. So that'll be fun to try out, but not a necessity for me. And then these are the Level 99 jeans with a distressing, interesting color. They're gray, but they kind of look like a distressed black. So I'm interested to see what these are like on. I'm excited for that. And then last is the shoes. Did I say how much? Sorry. So that faux leather jacket is $88 and the distressed skinny jeans by Level 99 are $96. I'll leave all of the items in the description box down below also. And then last are these Taupe Diba lovely suede booties. They almost look kind of green. Oh, not on camera though. And these are $70. That's a really good price for these booties. I have very similar booties to these. I don't need another pair, but they are uber cute, so that's exciting. So I'm excited to try these all on for you, see how they look, and then see what I want to keep. This is a much better box than I've gotten in a few. This is a much better box than the last few, so I'm really excited to see how things fit and how I'm gonna like them. Okay, let's try them on. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm looking a little different. I went to the eye doctor yesterday after I filmed the first portion, and you can see my really messy house behind me. And I had to get my eyes dilated and I just didn't feel like filming afterwards with the lights and stuff like that. And then I have to wear glasses because I'm having some increased dryness in my eyes. But let's just get started to the try on. So first off, I have those cut from the cloth jeans on. So typically their jeans fit pretty well, but the cut from the cloth, which I think I had last time too, has just like this fitting area is just not great. It gives you this like camel toe and I just don't love it. It is adorable. I love it. It definitely gives me Free People vibes. I love that it's open here, but still has this sleeve. I might probably exchange this for a medium. It just is a little bit big back here. So, but it's so cute. I wish actually I had the right size because I would take this to Oregon with me. It would be perfect with leggings, but I love it. Next up is this cardigan in this kind of blush lavender tone. It's really soft, really cute, and I actually really like it. I haven't decided yet if I absolutely need it, but it's really cute. I really like it. Here is the faux leather jacket. Sorry, you guys, just wearing this. It's actually really cute. It does have the different material in the back, which is not my fave. And it has these sleeves that can open up. It's really comfortable and really stretchy. I'd keep it if I didn't have a faux leather jacket that I was absolutely in love with from Blank NYC that I got at Nordstrom's. But it's very cute. P.S. I said that those jeans were cut from the cloth. They're actually Level 99, which is a brand that I really like. I have them. They sell them in Anthropologie, and I have a few pairs, but that pair just did not fit that well. And then there's these boots, and they're really cute. I'm not going to try them on only because I know that I'm for sure not going to keep them because I have 3 pairs of these boots that are just very similar, and they're so well packaged that I'd hate to like take everything out knowing that I'm not going to wear them. So they're really cute if you don't have a pair, but boots are not anything that I'm lacking. So that's it for this month's Stitch Fix. I'm definitely keeping that kind of Free People vibe sweater and possibly that open cardigan. Everything else was just so-so. And then, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do and give this video a thumbs up. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.